What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna do a vlog, a full day of eating. We're gonna do a workout and whatever else comes our way, cause mom likes it. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy it. Okay. So what's in it? Okay. So what's in this is mango chunks from TJ's, frozen, a banana, organic wheatgrass powder, coconut water, almond meal, just almond meal, and just filtered water. So right now I'm just gonna put it into the bowl, just like that, all in there. Are you kidding me right now? Look how delicious that looks. Hello, hello. Okay, you could totally just eat this all by itself. And here is the finished product. So I cut up some bananas, I threw in some blueberries, I put some hemp hearts, and then I just sprinkled it all with some date syrup from the Date Lady, and I am going to go enjoy this amazing smoothie bowl. Taryn and Marie, people, she has a fresh Georgia peach that we got on a road trip, didn't we? And it's just, when I got them, they were all hard. Everyone was mad because we were trying to get road trip food and I'm like, I'll get some peaches. And that was horrible. I know, I'm so sorry. But now they're ready, so that's exciting.
This is kid life. When you put your finger on it, doesn't cut you.
How's it going? Your knee hurts? What happened? Oh, what are you guys eating?
Pancakes.
These guys totally wanted pancakes for lunch. So I get this stuff here from Aldi. What's up? And then I just doctor it up a bit. I put some cinnamon, a little bit of ground ginger. So yeah, pancaking it up for lunch. Okay, so I just got this shirt. It's amazing. I love it. It's gold and black, and it comes down a little bit like longer. I just got it in the mail yesterday from Daughters of Culture. I love it. Sorry. So yeah, let's go work out. Okay, just wanted to tell you or show you this, my hand just leaked. This drink in here that's almost gone. That is my E2, my energy, and my pro-arginine, my amino acids. It's 100% natural, organic. Yeah, so it's good. And I like to use it before I work out, and it helps with... So, check me out. Do the dips. What is up, fit people? So yeah, so I'm doing a incline treadmill for about 5 to 10 minutes as a warm-up. And then I'm on the leg extension machine. I think I'm doing 2 sets of about 15 reps just to start that burn in the legs. And moving on, all the barbells were taken, all the squat racks. So I just grabbed an easy bar and started doing some back squats. I did about 3 sets of 12 reps. I think I used a 50-pound barbell right there, so just kind of just easing into it, just getting some high reps going, and yeah, super fun. Yeah, and then from here, I jumped on the leg press machine and just pressed it out. Yeah, I think, let's see, I did 6 sets of 20 reps on this. Yeah, it was super effective. I really started feeling it. But yeah. Okay, so from here, I'm jumping on the Smith machine to do some sumo squats. Sumo squats are wide stance squats. I'm doing 3 sets of about 10 to 12. And I'm trying to make sure that I'm at least at parallel when I squat. Trying to get past parallel, but not really successfully. Also, when I come up at the top of my squat, I try to squeeze my glutes just to get that rounding in my glutes. So yeah, so it's really sped up here, so you can't maybe quite tell, but for about a second, you try to hold at the top as you squeeze, making your glutes flat and squished. But it's super effective. Okay, so here I'm doing the last exercise of this workout. Using a 25-pound plate and doing weighted curtsy lunges. I did 3 or 4, I can't remember, 3 or 4 sets of 20. And yeah, just getting that burn, feeling good. Yeah, and so then from here, I just started my 10 minutes of cardio. I just jumped on the treadmill and put the incline up to about 7 or 8, I think, and just walked it out. Okay, so for dinner, I just grabbed like a couple handfuls of spinach, and I'm putting, I just found this at the grocery store, and it's guacamole. It's got all whole ingredients in it, so I just put a couple dollops of that on there. Okay, so there it is. That's my salad for tonight. Just gonna munch on that and see what else happens. So this is just Taryn and I having a tea party, and it's just, I just thought this was really cute footage. So thanks so much for watching. Definitely comment if you want, and like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.